Hi, Brad from WPSites.net. Let's take a look at sending coupons via email based on minimum quantity and the taxonomy that the product is assigned to. So once you install this plugin, you'll find a top-level menu item named Email Coupons. The first setting here is for branding. In this case, we'll use our brand, and the coupon code will come after the brand. So we'll set minimum 2, quantity of 2, minimum order spend is 75, no single products. We're going to target products in the tag 1 taxonomy, and coupon code will be for $50, fixed cart. We'll set it to expire after 3 days. If you want to set a specific date, there's a calendar to choose from, but in this case I think 3 days will work better. Now we can customize the email subject, and the message for the email can be customized using tags. There's 5 different tags here. The first name, coupon code, expiry, product name and quantity. So you can use those tags in the email subject line and in the body of the email. Now the usage restrictions are exactly the same as all the default WooCommerce usage restrictions. We'll set it as a minimum spend of 50. No other restrictions. If you wanted to, you could allow specific emails only to get this coupon, and you could add a list of them here. So you can control all of that. This case will allow anyone based on the minimum order spend and the product. There's some other settings there. We'll just leave them as 1 here for the usage. So let's find a product in the tag 1. Product demo, tag 1. So this one is eligible for the coupon. Add to cart. We've got a minimum quantity of 2, so it's eligible. We'll check out this product. Place order. Now when we send the order for testing, the status will be on hold. So we have to make sure we change the status manually if we're going to be testing. Otherwise the coupon won't be sent. You don't want coupons sent until the product's been paid for. If we have a look here, we've received the default order emails for the customer, but no coupon. So once we change this status to completed, the email with a coupon will be sent. Here's the coupon. So you can see, you can add HTML, you can see the tags here for the date, the coupon code, the coupon amount, and in the subject line there all the tags are working perfectly. So the next demo we need to test a product which is not tagged with tag 1. So we'll find another product, this one accessory. So we'll go to minimum order of 3, just 300, we're above the minimum order amount. So we'll just test this. Change the status of the order to completed. Here it is here, it's on hold. And there we have the emails but no coupon for this product because it's not assigned to the tag 1 taxonomy term. So the plugin has been run through the WordPress plugin check for accessibility, security and performance, and passed everything. If you've got more questions, there's a contact form at the end of the product page on WPSites.net.